Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question in which we need to find out the value of determinant this. As you guys can observe that we have something added with something, something add something, something add something. So, we guys can split this single determinant into two determinants and we guys can simplify it accordingly. Okay. So what I'm observing, look at this. This is root 13. So it is this, look at the number 13, 26. Both numbers are linked. And 65. All three numbers are interlinked. So can I put them together? So it is root 13, root 26, root 65. Okay. And 2 root 5, 5, root 15. And then root 5, root 10, 5. Okay, so this is your first determinant. Okay, plus now remaining thing, so it is root 3, root 15, 3, 2 root 5, 5, root 15, and then root 5, root 10, 5. So we split it into two things. Now look at this. I will take root 13 common from this column, root 5 common from this column, and root 5 common from this column. So we will be left with this 1, root 2, and root 5. Comfortable? We have taken root 5 common from this. So it is 2, root 5, root 3. And then we have taken root 5 common from here as well. So 1, root 2, root 5. Okay. So if you'll observe, this column and this column becomes identical. This means determinant of this thing becomes 0. So we need to find out determinant of this part only because the first part produces 0. Now we guys can take root 3 common from first column, then root 5 common from second column, and root 5 from third column. Now let's simplify things. Root 3, so it is 1, root 5, root 3, and root 5 we have taken common, so 2, root 5, root 3. Okay, and we have root 5 we have taken common, 1, root 2, and root 5. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. I'm observing root 5 over here, root 5 over here, root 3 over here, root 3 over here. So I will apply some transformation before simplifying the system. Okay. So I will go with this idea. Column 1 will be transformed. Okay. So how column 1 will be transformed? So column 1 minus column 2. So it is minus 1, 0, 0. Remaining thing as it is. 2, root 5, root 3, 1, root 2, root 5. Okay, and the common thing, it is 5 root 3, 5 root 3. Now I will open this determinant along the column first. Okay, so it is 5 root 3, and then we have minus 1 time 5 minus root 6. Okay, so this minus will enter inside, so the required answer will become 5 root 3 times root 6 minus 5. So this is your final answer. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So See you guys in the next session of Mathflix.